My name is Aaron Gonthier Jr. I make videos on live streaming, railroading, and full-size trains. Also, my life at college and at home. This is home life. This is life vlog.
Well, guys, good morning, and I don't know how you guys are doing. This whole week seems to be a week of fun. Last week was a week of deliveries, and I screwed up. Well, I guess that comes with the territory a lot of times when you're trying to get things done, you get sidetracked with other things. And this week seems to be a week of overheating. The laptop decided to overheat last night and yesterday. It was giving me problems. So today it's got the day off. Trying to see if it spends some time off, see if that will help cool it down. I'm probably gonna tomorrow go to Staples and get a new cooling unit and maybe a new, maybe some cans of air. See if I spray it with some air, get inside there, spray it and such to get inside the little cracks and crevices, and maybe even spray off the board a little bit. That may help keep it clearer so it doesn't overheat as much. I may also look into something that will give me a little more room to work inside. And tell me if you guys actually have noticed any changes in my appearance from last week. Let me tell you, it's kind of nice. Whatever the change is, it's definitely much nicer than it was before. Comment down below if you can figure out what that change is. And yeah, let's get this week started. Let's see how things go. Hopefully my computer will get running again soon, because to be bluntly honest, this is getting ridiculous. This is getting honestly ridiculous that I am literally sitting here going, okay. We'll have a time lapse of all the jets. They're flying overhead. That'd be nice, right? I want to see a time lapse of all the jets that fly over here. Ay. Well, gotta figure something out between now and tomorrow to be doing. It's amazing how much we're on our computers and such, and I don't have my Wii hooked up, so not like I can use my Wii. Be nice. Yeah. So maybe not right about now, but I think when I look up my Wii. The only entertainment center's here, so we'll have to wait for that to show up, and we'll be good for now. So yeah, we'll see how this week goes, and yeah, let's see how this week goes. Well, guys, not much. Right now it looks pretty beautiful out. Before this morning it was rainy, it was just miserable. I didn't even film much. It was just, yeah. I didn't want to like get the camera wet and all and destroyed. But in any case, cutting boards back from the repairman. And yeah. So I got some work done on that. So that's all taken care of. Got my laundry done. In fact, I just finished that. And yeah. Probably now gonna relax, take these boots off. Part of me's thinking, can't wait till this winter. Another part of me's like, oh boy, winter. Yikes. Shoveling. Yeah, here I don't really think I have to worry about it. Then again, I think it's mostly when I go back to my parents' places when I have to worry about shoveling. But you know what? It's manual labor. Good workout. Yeah. Even if maybe it's 10 pounds of snow off your on the end of your shovel, and shovel. Try to say that 10 times fast. Shovel. So yeah. So it's coming along. Man, I may have to clean these glasses up because I am starting to see dust marks on my glasses. That ain't good. So, I may have to clean these. But in any case, I think we're just gonna do ourselves for right now. I'm gonna drink my liquid smooth, as I decided to jokingly call it today. Of course I did everything. I think it's like over 1,000. I think it's like maybe somewhere around 1,000. Those little guys. I know, my siblings are probably going, liquid smooth. Yeah, they do kind of jokingly around, call it, yeah, they do kind of look at me as like alright, in case I won't get into that. That's probably just the way I've been in the past. I have no idea what they see me as a... In any case, watch more of that guy out of Canada. I'm still like 2 months behind on that guy. And yeah, well, we'll see how things go over the next few days as I get some more stuff taken care of. Oh boy, we'll see. Well guys, I think that's gonna be the vlog. Not much has been happening. I had my meetings. It was very dreary this morning, so I didn't film because it was very dreary, and in case it rained, I did not want to ruin my camera. Things getting kind of tight around here. This camera, in worst case, if the sub count was there, would be literally my only source of income, and it would be very detrimental. Plus, it's a very nice camera. I mean, it's no XH1 that my dad preferred me to use, but you know what? It's very, very difficult to try to film scenes, being that I'm a one-man show, so that's life. But in any case, I will see you guys next time. Don't forget to stay off the tracks, spread the love around. Come on, we gotta spread it around. Doesn't matter. Gotta spread that love around. Yeah. And I'll see you guys next time. Same time, same channel. Right here on YouTube.